Come on, y'all can't embarrass me. Let's do this. There we go. Rondo. Oh. Why you gotta be Rondo? Alright, that's better. Angel. She do that? Come on, Donovan, I'm taping this. You can't embarrass me. You doing? Come on, man. What's going on? Come on, Donovan. Whoa. Trying to hit me? What's up? Boy, who you talking to? Did you get it? Okay, you need to know how to rep for your team.
Come on. 3 more doing your man. Hey, 3 more girls.
What is that?
You made it.
Come on, Deja. Woo. These mosquitoes tearing me up. Where's the alcohol?